What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you a simple dance choreography. This is my beginner's class. So the title of the song is Why I Love You by B2K. Okay, let's start. So we go from the beginning. This is 8/8 choreography. It's very simple. So we go. Sorry about the sound because it's very hot here in Hong Kong. It's okay. You don't need to turn off. It's very hot in Hong Kong, so we need to turn on all the aircon. Anyway, you can hear my voice. So here we go. In 5, 6, 7, step to the side. This is very basic. So 1, leap on 2, just step 3, close on 4, to the front, chest. 6, 7. So make sure you close on 7 and an 8. Okay? Very cool. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, close 7 and 8. Very good. Next, we're gonna use end count here. 1 and 2 and 3. Lift your right. 4. Stop here, step front, 5, 6, 7, pull away on 8. Very good, from here. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wrong count. One more time. We start from here, 6, 7, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Someone's making signs. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Alright? Because that we start from here. 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's continue. Open 1 and 2. Pull 3 and 4. This is 2 count. 5, 6, head. 7 and 8. One more time. The sounds of the speaker is because I removed the charger. So we go like this. Continue here. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. 5, 6. It's getting far again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, move to the center. So after 8, let's continue. This is 1, 2, kick 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? One more time. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. From here, you're gonna go shoulder 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can put it like this. 4. Then away 5, 6, close on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, away on 7, click on 8. Very good. One more time. So we end up on 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Away 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, move back, 7 and 8. Almost, guys. From here, continue. Move back, 1, 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 8. This is supposed to be 7, 8. Because this is 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's continue. Step 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And finish. By the way, when you do this one, up, hop, brush, and slow. You will slow down here. Slow. Yes. One more time from here. This is start 1. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Away. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoulder. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yes, let's start from the beginning. Good job. So we do it slowly. Okay? Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder. 7, 8. Ball change. 2. Left. Right. 1. Up. Boom. Yes. Good job, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that simple choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.